Hello friends, let's solve next question from Civil Gate 2018 paper afternoon session. The question is about average rainfall and there is a graph given. So here they have asked that there is a catchment area of 50 meters square in which 50% times whatever rain is falling we are harvesting that. So how many liters of water is getting collected? So this question was very simple question. So 50% of times we are able to collect. So I'll say 0.5. According to graph, this is 300 mm into 50 meter square. Now it's become very easy to solve. This 300, I'll convert into meters. This is 50. So it becomes 7.5 meter cube. Now to convert meter cube into liter, you know what to do. You have to multiply by 10 cube. So answer will be 7,500 liters, which is option C. Option C is the correct answer. In case if you have any doubt related to data given in this question or solution, feel free to contact us. Thank you.